Hello guys, it's Tiny Tanks here, and today we will be looking at the first St. Paul's 2017 paper, so section A of that paper. So I'll add the paper on my website. So my website's called, I'm using an Apple Pencil, so it's kinda hard, but if you go to sorry, my internet just lagged a bit. tinytanks.com. You can see, and I just recently added a tab called 11 plus and 13 plus. It's not here now, but I promise you I would add it. Add this video and paper onto this page. And there's also this math challenges page that I put on the website. So yeah, those are just the math challenges that I put. So yeah, just check it out. Okay, so back to the questions. So question 1, it says fill in the blanks. Oh, and also for some users, for example, if you're using iPad, you can see that it's not exactly perfect, but it'll work, and that's just a playlist, so it's more easier. So for question 1, you just do some simple multiplication. So that's 4. Oh wait, wrong tool. 48. So 12, and 1b. 12 times 75 equals to 75 times 10 plus 150. So the answer to this is 750 plus 150 equals to 900. So that's our answer for question 1A and B. So wait, let me just put that in. So 900. So if we check this method, 6, 14, 7, 14, 17, 804. Yep, that's correct. So yeah. For question 2 is what number is 40 of 75? So for this question, you can actually separate it into, for example, into 20%. So because that's divided by 5, so 75 divided by 5 equals to 15. 25, 75. Yep. So 15, and so that's 20%. So now you take 15 times 2, which equals to 30. So that's 40%. So our answer is 30. So yeah. For question 3, it says 2.3 plus 3.7. So you first do the brackets. So 5, that's 5, 6. So 6 divided by 9 as a simplified fraction. So 3, 2 over 3. That's our answer. So 2 over 3 is the answer for question 3. For question 4, it says write the following in order of size. 4 point. So smallest first. So the smallest here is obviously 4.123. Then it's 4.13. Oh gosh, let me just write it out. Not on the question, but down here. So 4.123, because that has 1 and 1 on that digit and 2 on that digit, so that's the smallest. Then the next is 4.132, because that also has 1, but has 3 on that digit, so, but that's still a lot smaller than the rest. And then it's 4.3, which has 3 here, but nothing here. So that makes it smaller than 4.321 and 4.32. Next we have 4.32, because that doesn't have anything on this digit. So, and then we have 4.321. So it's 4.123, 4.132, 4.3, 4.32, 4.321. Oh, and I will also put the notes in my Tiny Tangs website, so if you didn't quite catch it, you can download it from there. So, for this question, what you can do is basically, so you change the numerator and denominator. So that's 12, that's 18, so you can just change it into, for example, 36 over times 2, so 24, and 36 over, so that would be 36 over 24. So if you take 2, so it has to be 36 over 24, sorry, so that it's equal. But if you take, so it's actually, 24, so 3, 8 over 12. So because 8 over 12 both times 3, so equals to, times 3 equals to 25, and 12 times 3 equals to 36. So that's how that works. And for the next one, you take 12, so 36 for the numerator, and 36 for the denominator, and that becomes 3 times 18, so 54. So that has to be 54, but if you divide that by 2, that becomes 27. So wait, let me check that. Wait, 50. So 54 over 36, so times 3. 54 over 36, perfect. So that's our answer. So yeah, let's move on to question 6. For this question, you just, so it has to, an easier way of doing this is that 7 times 3 usually becomes 21. So let's try it. 17 times 13 equals to, so that's, so that's obviously a bit off, I think. Yep, that isn't correct. So then we can try, so yeah, that isn't correct. So 17 times 13 doesn't work. And then so we do maybe 17 times 23. So 17 times 23. So 1, 3, 50, 14, 3, 1, 2, 3. So perfect, 391. Not that one. So 23 is our answer. For question 7, it's write one number which fits all 3 of these statements. So my suggestion would be to work from the 7, so the largest number. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Now, 42 is a multiple of 3 and ends in 2. So 42 is our answer. For question 8, it says I think of number n. 5n is more than 60. So 60 is divided by 5. So that's 12. So from that you can infer that n is larger than 12. But n plus 5 is less than 20. So n is smaller than 20 minus 5, 15. So the only two numbers are 13 and 14 that fit n and is a whole number. Sarah won a large jar of sweets in a Christmas raffle. There are 48, equally with her 17 classmates. For these type of questions, how you do this is just, you need to always remember to use this 17, but also remember to add on Sarah. So that's 18 people. So 486 divided by 18. So that equals to, cancel that out. Wait, can that divide by 3? Yeah. So, wait, let's just make it 3. So, let's divide by 6 first. So, 81 over 3. So, 27 is our answer for this question. So 27 is the answer for question 9. For question 10, on 1st December 2008, my grandmother was 80 years old. Her daughter was 40 years old on 1st December 1996. So, how old was my grandmother when her daughter was born? So, what we do here is we take 1996 minus 40, so that becomes 1956. So that's the year when her daughter was born. So the grandma's daughter was born. So then we take 80 years old. So 2008 minus 80 equals to 19 minus 80. So 1928. So yep, 1928. Then it's 82. Yep. So 1956 minus 1928. Oh gosh. 8 equals to 28. So the grandmother is 28 years old when the daughter was born. John paid a total of £4.15 for a jar of coffee, a carton of milk and a bag of sugar. The jar of coffee cost 3.69 and a carton of milk 89p. So we can just do 5 plus 3.69 plus 89 pence. So that becomes 13. So that becomes 13. 13 plus 9 equals to 22. So we write that. And then it's 8, 10, 17. So 1.7. So 17, yeah. And 8. So that becomes 9.72. Wait. Yes, John paid the total. Oh, that's where I went wrong. Wait. So wait, this stuff is wrong. So we should have done 3.69 plus 89, so 0.89. So that becomes 18. That becomes 14, 15. Just 4.58. So now we take 5.15 minus 4.58, which equals to 42.57. So 57 is pence. Is our answer. No. No, it isn't. It's 67. 57, sorry. Yes, 57. So our answer is that. For question 12, it says, how many bags of crisps at 16p each can I buy for £2? So 16 times 6 equals to 96. So 12 packs equals to 192. So that's the most we can get, because you can't fit another 16 in. So 12 packs. So that was 96 pence for 6 packs, and 12 packs is 192 pence. So £2 is 200 pence. So you can't fit another 16 in there. For 13, it says a shop sells bananas and pears. Max buys 1 banana and 2 pears. He paid 94 pence. Emily buys 1 banana and 1 pear. She paid 62 pence. How much does 1 banana cost? So 1b plus 2p equals to 94. 1b plus 1p equals to 62. So if we just minus these two, we can get that p equals to 94 minus 62, which equals to 32. So that's that. So, and Emily buys 1 banana and 1 pear. She paid 62 pence. How much does one cost? So 62 minus 32 equals to 30. So that's our 30p. That's our answer for a banana. So yeah, that's the cost of 1 banana, 30 pence. Each the amounts that can be made with 4 coins. If you didn't know, you can get 1 pence coins, 2 pence coins, 5 pence coins, 10 pence coins, 20, 50, £1, £2. Yep, that's all we're gonna. Yeah, that's all. That's all. So let me just make that clear. Okay, so those are all pence, okay, the ones before. So 4 coins it wants us to make was. So let's start with 24. Well, you can make this by using a 20, a 2, a 1 and a 1. So that's what I saw instantly. So that's the solutions that I saw instantly, but there might be others. So, but this just proves that it works. So that works. 38 pence. 20, 10, it has to involve 20 and 10. So 20, 10, then it's, nope, it doesn't work. Because if you've used 20 and 10, that leaves you as 2 coins, but the rest you can make is 7, so 37. That won't work, so sorry. So, and 57 is 50 plus 5 plus 1. That's the solution I saw. And for £1.18, let's try. So we put a £1 coin, a £10 coin, so a £5. Nope, that won't work, because if you use a £1 and a £10, it's basically the same as the 38 pence. You can't make an 8 out of 5, 2 and 1 by using only 2. So, yeah. And so that won't work. Oh, yeah, I forgot to circle that. 1.26. £1, 20 pence, plus 5 plus 1. So, 1 plus 20 plus 5 plus 1. So that's the solution for question 14. So the ones you circle are the first one, the third one, and the last one. It's Benjamin walks dogs to earn some money. The formula below can work out his pay. Worked all day on Monday. He walked 13 dogs, 18 dogs. So that becomes 28 dogs that he walked. So we times that by 1.5. So, and we add 12. An easy way to do this would be 14 times 3. So that we know is 42. So plus 12 equals to 54. So £54. That's not bad. So 17, 16, the table shows 194 from Penzance. That's Bristol. This question is just asking you how to see the gaps, see the graph, how to understand, if you understand the graph. So what this graph basically means is that, so for example, Plymouth is 75 miles away from Taunton. Penzance is 77 miles away from Plymouth, and Penzance is 144 miles away from Taunton. So we can know that Bristol and Penzance, so that's 194. So which town is this? So Bristol. Yep, that's what we do. So for B, approximately how many times further is Exeter from Penzance than it is from Taunton? So Exeter from Penzance. Exeter from Penzance, so that's 110. Then it is from Taunton, so Exeter and Taunton. That's 34. So if you take 30 times, so that's approximately 3 times. So the answer to question B is 3. And those are the answers for, that's all of section A of this paper. So I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for listening.